Hi everyone, it's been a while. First I wanted to shout out to my friends JLo and Jindy. Okay, and they're really sweet friends of mine, so just wanted to say hi. Told you I would. See? No, okay guys, so what I wanted to do today is basically it's just been like a really hard week because, and sorry I haven't been on in a while, I've like had so much to do. I've been like more diligent like this semester, not even diligent, just busy like than any other semester, which is probably not true, but it just feels true right now. Alright, so anyways, I've been working on like research projects and just like a bunch of projects for school, and so basically today I wanted to rant about research. Okay, research, and let me show you something, a little video of me the other night when I was trying to vent, and it was like really wee hours of the morning and I looked awful. I'm gonna tell you something about me and research. Me and research have a complicated relationship. Not a good kind of relationship, wouldn't say necessarily a bad kind of relationship, but not one that's very pleasing to both of us. And I'm not making much sense right now, but just imagine. I mean, you know research, right? Long hours of, first you have to find the research, so you have to go through all the databases and use all the keywords and all the little stars and abbreviations and try to find something that kind of matches what you're supposed to be looking for. And then you have to look through the whole list of everything that comes up. Of course, half of them aren't relevant and talk about like random stuff. You're like, I put in these keywords, like why did all this random stuff come up? And it's just like so confusing. And then you have to, of course, for your research paper project, you have to find like 15, 20, 30, whatever, like resources or studies to include as like part of your sources. And you're like looking through all these studies and you're like, oh, it's like early in the morning. And it's kind of like, what was the research question? What was the population? What were their methods? What was their intervention? What were their outcomes? Like, was this a qualitative study? Was this a quantitative study? Was it a randomized controlled trial? Or, what's going on here? And then, of course, you not only have to do that. Okay, it's intense. Okay, I need to calm down right now. I'm still in research withdrawal, but and then you have to like go through all the studies and synthesize, analyze, and then fit it into what your research question is, like what you're trying to figure out. And then it's just stressful on top of everything else. And I know like that night I was like hating on research because I was just so tired. Seriously, it was like 2 in the morning. But, and I like stayed up all night. And then, yeah, I don't really hate research. I actually like it. I mean, not necessarily like reading through research and trying to find research like right now, like on top of all my other schoolwork, but I can see myself one day being like, in my career, like, doing something related to researching. So anyways, I'll see y'all later. I don't know when. Thanks for bearing with me and my mood swings. No, I'm just joking. Not really. Okay, bye. This is really gross. I just found like trash and like cereal and like string cheese from who knows when. My backpack, an apple. Oh my gosh, it's all like all bruised. It's my room. A disaster, just like me. It's all good, guys. It's all good. That cereal was good. Ah. Waste not, want not.